Ever heard of black holes? Relax, they're not as terrifying as you think. Let's dive in, without getting sucked in, of course. Imagine you have a cookie, but suddenly it shrinks down super tiny, but it still weighs as much as an elephant. Weird, right? Black holes are kinda like that, a huge amount of mass packed tightly into an incredibly tiny space. You see, massive stars live by burning fuel. Once that fuel runs out, gravity takes over, causing the star to collapse inward. When this happens, the core becomes incredibly dense, creating a powerful gravitational field, and voila, a black hole is born. So why do we call them black holes? It's because their gravitational pull is unbelievably strong. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can't escape. Imagine a vacuum cleaner so powerful it could pull in beams of light. Pretty intense, right? Because no light escapes, black holes appear completely dark, invisible against the backdrop of space. Scientists detect them by observing how their immense gravity affects nearby stars and gas clouds, often creating spectacular cosmic fireworks around them. Every black hole has a boundary known as the event horizon. It's kind of like an invisible cosmic fence. Cross that line and there's no turning back. Anything crossing it gets trapped inside forever, including cookies. Interestingly, from the outside, it looks like time stops at the event horizon. If you watched someone falling in, you'd see them slow down and eventually freeze, even though they'd continue falling from their own perspective. Weird, huh? If you're brave enough to venture near a black hole, watch out for something called spaghettification. Yes, that's a real word scientists use. The gravity is so strong that it pulls harder on the parts of you closer to the black hole, stretching you into a noodle-like shape. While this might sound funny, it's one of the reasons why approaching a black hole isn't a great idea for any adventurous astronaut. Let's keep our spaghetti on the dinner table. Did you know we've actually captured images of real black holes? In 2019, scientists used a network of telescopes around the world, called the Event Horizon Telescope, to take the very first photo of a black hole. Located in galaxy M87, it resembles a glowing donut, showing the ring of heated gas around its event horizon. This achievement wasn't easy. It involved international cooperation, precise timing, and supercomputers processing vast amounts of data. It was like taking a picture of an orange on the moon from Earth. Pretty amazing. Here's another fascinating aspect of black holes. They distort time itself. The closer you get to one, the slower time moves compared to far away. Spend a few minutes near a black hole and years might pass back on Earth. This phenomenon, called time dilation, has been tested in space experiments. It's one of the strangest and coolest predictions of Einstein's theory of general relativity, and it's completely real. In our own galaxy, the Milky Way, there's a massive black hole called Sagittarius A. It's about 4 million times heavier than our sun. But don't worry, it's safely located about 26,000 light-years away, busy quietly consuming gas and dust rather than planets. Scientists study Sagittarius A to better understand how galaxies, including ours, evolve. Without black holes, galaxies wouldn't look the way they do today. So next time someone mentions black holes, remember, they're just incredibly fascinating cosmic objects, full of mystery and wonder. They help us understand the universe in deeper ways, and there's still so much more to discover. Stay curious, stay safe, and see you in the next cosmic adventure.